In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in a PDF on your computer, laptop, or PC. First, make sure you have your PDF file saved somewhere you can easily find it, like your desktop or your Documents folder. Once you know where it is, open the PDF by double-clicking it. On most computers, this will automatically open in your default PDF viewer, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, your browser, or another PDF app you've installed. If it opens in a program you don't want to use, you can close it. Then right-click the file, choose Open With, and pick the PDF viewer you prefer. Once your PDF is open, look toward the top of the window for the toolbar. Here is where you'll usually find the highlighting tools. In many PDF viewers, there's an icon that looks like a marker or a highlighter pen, often with a colored line underneath it. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click on options like Comment, Annotate, or Tools to reveal more options. Click on the highlighter icon to activate highlighting mode. Now move your mouse pointer to the text you want to highlight. Click and hold at the beginning of the word or sentence, then drag across the text. When you let go of the mouse button, the selected text should become highlighted in color. If nothing happens, double-check that the highlighter tool is still selected. Most PDF viewers let you change the highlight color. Look again at the toolbar near the highlighter icon for a small color box or a drop-down arrow. Click it, then choose the color you like, such as yellow, green, or blue. This is helpful if you want to organize information, for example, using one color for definitions and another for important dates or formulas. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can usually remove a highlight by right-clicking on the highlighted text and choosing Delete, Remove Highlight, or a similar option. Some programs also let you select the highlighted text and press the Delete key on your keyboard. As you go through your PDF, repeat this process. Select the highlighter tool, drag over the text you want to emphasize, and adjust colors as needed. When you're finished, remember to save your file so you don't lose your work. Click File, then Save, or Save As if you want to create a new copy with your highlights preserved. And that's how you highlight in a PDF on your computer, laptop, or PC.